everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into cool football figurine in just a few seconds. So since the World Cup season is getting a lot of attention right now, this is a fun way to join the trend and create unique content for your social media. And here's how to do it. First, just open ChatGPT, and then next just tap on create an image like this, and then in here just choose these styles, these football figurine styles, this one, and then next just upload your photo, this one, and then next ChatGPT will automatically create your prompt like this, and you can just edit it a little bit like this, and then after that just simply click submit. And then here you must insert the some points. Just insert it for the detail. Like this, and then next just submit. And then just wait for the process. And okay, like this, you can see the results. I think it looks so amazing. It looks so incredible, cool like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.